In this step, we'll briefly explore some of other Pinegrow's powerful features. Starting with the Components panel. This panel allows us to define master pages and reusable components, which we can then use throughout our project. For example, if you have a part of your website that gets repeated on every page, such as this title box, we can convert it into a single reusable component. First, select the title box div, then in the Actions panel, click Define Component. Let's give our new component the ID and display name of title. After creating the component, we have to update the components library. Now let's switch over to the About page. Here, we can delete the old static version of the title box. From the Insert panel, we can find our new title component and simply drag it onto the page. This page now uses our reusable title component. Now for the magic. If we return to the index page and edit the original component's text, let's change poems to stories. After updating the component, you'll see the change has been automatically applied everywhere it's used. This is an incredibly powerful way to build and maintain complex websites with simple, static HTML. But what if you need a full content management system? That's where the WordPress panel comes in. It allows you to take your static project and convert it into a fully featured WordPress theme or block plugin. We won't dive deep into that now, but it's important to know that these professional-grade tools are available when you need them. Go ahead and click Complete to finish this lesson.